General dictation 60 words per minute. Get ready. Start. Every day, many people need to buy and others wish to sell their goods. Full stop. Whenever and wherever these people meet, there is a market, but it is not a marketplace in the usual sense. Full stop. It may be around a stall, comma, in a shop or in a warehouse or factory. Full stop. These are large and famous market under one roof, such as the stock exchange and the various commodity markets, comma, such as the cotton, comma, wool and tea exchange. Full stop. But markets need not be under one roof. Full stop. A number of men connected by telephone or even walking in and out of banks and offices to deal with each other can be a market. Full stop. One example of this is the money market, which does not exist in any one place but is simply a market arising from the demand for money. Full stop. The markets that are familiar to most people, however, comma, are the retail markets, and they are made up of stalls either in a street market, comma, or in a marketplace. Full stop. These stalls are very much sought after, comma, and some retailers wait many years to get the stall they want, comma, perhaps in a favorable place. Full stop. The local bodies are often the owners of such stalls. Full stop. The granting of rights to street retailer is a serious matter of business. Full stop. A dealer who has a stall usually carries no large stocks but expects to clear his goods quickly. Full stop. He is satisfied with small profits. Full stop.